So, if y'all been following me on this journey with my new Charger, second gen RT 2012, y'all see what I've been doing. And it's going to be a fun journey. And I love to share with y'all. I would want some of y'all output. What should I do?
Help me! Help me! Help me!
So, man, hey, I really appreciate it, man. If y'all hit that button, man, like and subscribe, follow me, support me, man, and hopefully, man, at some point, man, I can get some sponsors in here. I can do some reviews and build this car, man. It's fresh. She's a virgin.
All right, yeah, get him the hell out of here, will you, please? Get him out of here. Throw him out.
And relaxing with me and see him and see what I got going on, man. So hopefully in the next video, who knows, it's gonna be something. And I got something planned, man. So peace. Love y'all. Please like and subscribe. I'ma holla at y'all. Peace. But without further ado, we gonna get in the whip. We're gonna get some gas, and we gonna hit the road and see if we can do some numbers. Let me get back with y'all.
Bye-bye. See you later.
All right, let's get ready to get on this journey. All right, people, we're about to go on the ride. It's gonna be a little dog in here, but it's at night, you know, so.
Drive, floor it, floor it, floor it. Run the light, run the light, run the light. Run the fucking light.
Oh yeah, and that works. For sure, for sure. So yeah, of course I went way out there to the car show, whatever. It wasn't nothing. So, you know, yeah, it's nighttime, you know, I said, what the hell? I said, I'll give y'all a little walk around on my RT, man. You know, it's nighttime, but I think y'all still should be able to see it pretty good. Like I said, it's a second gen. Hey, she pretty clean, but I'm finna do some work to her. So, yeah, just check this out. Stay tuned.
Rolling down the boulevard, sun hitting my shades. Oh, yeah. Riding low and slow, this vibe never fades. What's up? Palm trees dancing in the hazy sunlight glow. West Coast rhythm, let the good times flow. Cruising, grooving.
So let's talk about some of the things that I added thus far to my car since I bought it. My second gen, my first Charger. I had a Chrysler C Hemi, but this is my first Charger, so let's go through it. For starters, I added the headlights, and you know some things that I need to fix, like the stripe that needs to be redone. It has a small ding right there. All right, so I caught myself trying to, you know, I wrap. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like snake skin or whatnot. But it's all right, you know what I mean. I got the wicker bill on there, you know. I got the wheels. I'm not sure. I mean, I know these OEM. I just don't know what they come off of, but they came with the car. And this bumper. Now I don't know if this is the SRT bumper. I'm not quite sure what diffuser goes on there. So if anybody could help me out in the comments and let me know, that would be pretty helpful. she looks pretty good. As far as from that, inside of the car, I also added the new cluster. I added the cluster, the bezel. I got a video on how I installed the radio. So y'all go back and check that out. You know what I mean? I'm gonna show y'all how I installed that radio. The other thing that I installed was the SRT pages. I got all of them. They all work. Gauges. Even my where is it? The gear that works. A lot of people saying they can't get that to work, but mine works. And another thing that is that right there, that FCW. I don't even have a sensor in the front. If somebody can help me with that, man, please let me know. I have added the carbon fiber. Overall, she's pretty clean, man. I love this car. So, what else y'all might know what I like to, especially when I'm sitting around a bunch of people and stuff, man, is when you put this taser on, you got this light show, right? Love it, man. My next thing is I want to add a diffuser, the side skirts, long tube headers, and another hood. I'm gonna put an SRT hood on there, man. See if I can get that thing to pop. And I'm gonna put a wrap on the top, probably on the hood, the roof, and the trunk. I'm not sure. Y'all let me know in the comments, man, what I should do. So the next thing that I did was the exhaust. I basically kind of went straight pipe, but it still has the cats on it, you know what I mean? So I'm thinking about taking them cats off and just going straight back, but I don't know what if that's gonna affect my car or not. Especially, it's probably gonna need a tune. I might be burning too much gas. I don't know, man. Y'all let me know if that's gonna affect me in any way. So, man, put it down in the comments. But I'm gonna let y'all hear the exhaust. And I got the SRT on the ground. Gotta love that, baby. So, if y'all been following me on this journey with my new Charger, 2nd Gen RT 2012, y'all see what I've been doing. And it's gonna be a fun journey. And I love to share with y'all. I would want some of y'all output. What should I do? What should be the next move? What y'all like? What y'all dislike? And we can go from there, man. I'm excited. I'm gonna tear this up, man. This what got me, so man, hey, I really appreciate it, man. If y'all hit that button, man, like and subscribe, follow me, support me, man, and hopefully, man, at some point, man, I can get some sponsors in here. I can do some reviews and build this car, man. It's fresh, she's a virgin, and let's get it where she need to be, man. Hey, I appreciate y'all looking at the channel, man, and sitting back and relaxing with me and seeing what I got going on, man. So hopefully in the next video, who knows, it's gonna be something, and I got something planned, man. So peace, love y'all. Please like and subscribe. I'ma holla at y'all. Peace.